Welcome to the 63rd episode of Kanga Crypto News, your go-to source for fast and trustworthy updates in the world of crypto. I'm Kuba and I'm bringing you the latest and most important stories. As always, later in the episode, I'll go over the rules of our competition where you will have a chance to win some KNG tokens. And I'll also reveal the winner from the last week's round. But before we proceed, please remember that all the information in Kanga Crypto News is carefully compiled by our expert Kanga analysts, using reliable sources only. Please note, however, that this is not an investment advice. New episodes of Kanga Crypto News are released every Friday. If you want to stay informed about the most crucial developments in the crypto world, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an important update. Now, let's get started. Donald Trump's Truth Social has taken formal steps to enter the crypto investment space by registering a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF entity in Nevada. Partnering with Yorkville America Digital, the initiative includes filing to the SEC for a spot-based ETF approval. If greenlit, the ETF would join major players like BlackRock and Fidelity. Custody will be handled by Forest Dax, adding institutional credibility to the venture. The European Central Bank has reduced key interest rates by 25 basis points amid easing inflation, leaving deposits rates at 2%. While this move is aimed at stimulating growth, the US Federal Reserve remains cautious despite falling inflation indicators. Market speculation is mounting, especially after Powell met with Trump, but the Fed is expected to hold rates steady at the upcoming FOMC meeting. A public fallout between Donald Trump and Elon Musk over the Big Beautiful Bill has sparked a wave of meme coins and caused a 9% drop in Dogecoin. The spat includes accusations, insults, and political clashes, especially regarding Doge's role in cutting government waste. Several Trump versus Musk themed tokens have already hit $7 million in market cap, while Tesla stock dropped 15%. Crypto exchange Gemini, led by Winklevoss twins, has filed for an IPO following Circle's success. Announced during the Bitcoin conference, the move has raised concerns among analysts who see it as a possible bubble indicator. While Gemini has shown growth, critics argue that IPOs don't necessarily reflect strong fundamentals and could signal market saturation. A new bill, H.R. 3798, aims to codify Trump's Executive Order number 14233 into law, establishing a U.S. Bitcoin reserve. Introduced by Rep. Tim Burchett, the proposal is under review by the House Financial Services Committee. While some lawmakers see it as a hedge against economic instability, critics warn of Bitcoin's volatility. If passed, it could shift the US crypto policy landscape dramatically. Michael Saylor's firm Strategy is expected to buy more Bitcoin, pushing closer to a 600,000 BTC milestone. The company currently holds 580,955 Bitcoins worth around $61.4 billion. MCR stock has surged 126% in a year, outperforming major tech stocks, while Bitcoin's price sits at around $109,000. Strategy's aggressive treasury strategy continues to attract corporate crypto interest. The SEC is holding a high-profile roundtable, DeFi and the American Spirit, to discuss DeFi oversight, token governance, and smart contracts. Led by Commissioner Hester Pierce, the event includes regulators, developers, and legal experts. Topics include tokenized assets, custody, and market integrity. Firms like VanEck and Segment are participating, and the SEC seeks to balance innovation and regulation under Trump's administration. Cardano is now available for trading on Bitstamp through Robinhood, following a $200 million acquisition. This key US listing comes after past SEC scrutiny and could boost ADA visibility and liquidity. Robinhood's move brings regulatory coverage across multiple regions and could generate $65 million in added revenue by next year. Cardano is currently trading at 67 cents after a volatile start to June. Japanese clothing brand ANAP Holdings has joined the corporate Bitcoin wave with a $79 million investment. Funded by a new share issuance, this marks a partial pivot to crypto while maintaining its core fashion business. ANAP's stock has risen over 90% in the past month. The move reflects growing institutional adoption in Japan, aligned with the firm's like strategy, expanding Bitcoin reserves. Reports suggest that the SEC has asked Solana ETF hopefuls to revise the S1 forms within 30 days, sparking a speculation of near-term approval. Solana rose 4.5% on the news, and polymarket odds for July approval surged by 45%. Analysts say that SEC opens to staking could lead to a broader altcoin ETF summer, despite prior delays. This is the most concrete step for the Solana ETF yet. That's all for the latest Kanga crypto news, but before we wrap up, there's one more important announcement. Our competition, so you have a chance to win some KNG tokens.
So what's the best way to get some free KNG tokens? Just take part in the competition! Wow, you can do it too! Every week, you can win some KNG tokens for free. Pretty good, right? Good deal. We want that. So here's the results of our last week competition. We have... And we do not have a winner. However, don't worry. All the tokens that you could have won this week are going to be available in the next pool. So you make sure to participate. So, do you want to be the next winner? Here's how. Predict the Ethereum to USDT value that will appear on our exchange at 9 AM Central European Time on the day of the next Kanga Crypto News episode, every Friday. Submit your predictions in the following format. Hashtag Kanga Crypto News, the next episode number followed by your predicted value. To win, your guess must be the closest to the actual Ethereum value, but it cannot differ by more than 10 USDT in either direction. Does 10 USDT seem like a small margin to you? Well, you can increase it to 20 USDT if you leave an additional comment under the video that's unrelated to the contest. You can write anything you like for example, comment on any of the news. That's why you're here, right? That's why you're here. Every week, the winner will receive prize pool in KNG tokens equivalent to 10% of the likes on the latest Kanga Crypto News episode, plus any rollover KNG tokens from the previous competitions that have not had a winner. That's all free money, guys. Free money, free tokens. You want that? All you need to do is write a comment with your prediction and you can win.
Did you enjoy the video? Give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to stay updated with the latest news. As always, stay informed and stay ahead in the Bitcoin world. See you next time.
We are Kanga, beyond crypto.